I'm kind of losing interest in filming lately, videos, because I keep stopping in these dumps. Another TA dump today. I wish I had taken some video footage from behind the trailer, all the truckers' trailers at that TA, because that would have been proof that the Antichrist is here. It's disgusting. Yeah, that was hell on earth back there. I need 50 more subs, 50 more subscribers on YouTube to make my 200 goal by Thursday, Thanksgiving. If you're a YouTube subscriber, please recommend or share or comment some good comments on my videos. I'd appreciate it.